a quick statement, please, on the Israel-Gaza conflict because Tel Aviv is burning already. What's your directive for Filipinos there?
Well, I don't know about Tel Aviv is burning, but it's being bombed by Iran and because of the Israeli movement. We of course are watching our nationals both in Israel and in Iran. And as a matter of fact, we have already contacted all our nationals and asked them if they want to be evacuated. Some have asked to be evacuated out of Israel. Some now, nung una, sa Iran, ayaw nila munang umalis. Pero ngayon, meron nang sinasabi na kailangan, wala silang natatakot na sila kaya nagpapatuloy na makalabas. Ang naging problema natin sa pag-evacuate sa kanila ay dahil sa gera, maraming sarado na airport. Kaya nag-ahanap tayo ng ruta kung saan sila mailabas. But we have been able to do that. And the first batch, in fact, Secretary Kakdak is already on his way to Israel, to Jordan, para ma-coordinate niya both the evacuees from Israel and the evacuees from Iran.
Sir, raise the alert level 3 or 4?
To?
Alert level 3 or 4, mandatory repatriation?
No, not yet. We generally leave it to each individual or each family to decide for themselves whether or not they feel safe or whether or not they would like to be evacuated.
Sir, the expected impact is higher oil prices here. How are we bracing for that, sir?
Well, again, we're starting already with the assumption that the oil prices will in fact go up, and I cannot see how it will not, because the Straits of Hormuz will then be blocked. If it escalates, the oil cannot come out of its sources, so the prices will certainly be affected. So the subsidies that we have always given, fuel subsidies that we gave to, if you remember during the pandemic, lalong-lalo na yung mga nagpapasada, yung mga para may hanap buhay naman sila, bigyan natin ng fuel subsidies. Now we will have to do the same for those who are severely affected, stakeholders, by any instability in the price of oil. Yes, it's a serious problem.
Thank
you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.